Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and this is Binta. Today I am going to be cooking some Bulgar wheat porridge. If you're someone that likes oatmeal, then you will most likely love Bulgar wheat porridge, okay? It is packed with vitamins, minerals, and also rich in fiber. This very healthy cereal will also help in promoting weight loss and improve your digestion, okay? So if you like to see how I make this, then you watch the rest of the video, and please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you are not already. Let's get started. Okay guys, so I have my brown Bulgar wheat here. I'm using the brown one, but they have white ones as well. And I have half a cup of brown sugar. My brown sugar is really dry. I have some vanilla sugar. This is 3 tablespoons. And I have 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. I have pure vanilla extract. And I have some banana extract. And also almond extract. I have 2 cups of milk, and in my pot I have 3 cups of water. I'm just gonna let that come to a boil, and as we're waiting for that to come to a boil, I'm gonna go ahead and wash my bulgur wheat. And you want to wash this very clean, at least until the water is a bit clear, basically. But yeah, that's just what I'm doing, trying to wash it really clean. Gifted and Safi, Ramadan Mubarak, Holy Records, Ramadan Mubarak, لكل مسلم شعر الذي فيها ينازل القرآن. Happy Ramadan to all Muslims. Alright, our bulgur is clean. And we're just gonna go ahead and move on to adding it to our pot. So now I'm just stirring, and I'm just gonna let it come to a boil again, and we're gonna leave it to boil for some minutes, at least to get it soft, because we need this to be as soft as possible, because bulgur can be a bit dry, and I like mine soft because it's a porridge, right? So it needs to be well cooked. It's not like as easy to cook like an oatmeal. This takes a bit time than your regular oatmeal, okay? Yeah, it's boiling and it's coming together. Now I have some cornstarch in a bowl, and I'm just gonna go ahead and pour some of my milk into the cornstarch I mean, and we're just gonna give that a whisk just to remove some of the lumps in there. Alrighty, our bulgur is coming together, and as you guys can see, the water has reduced tremendously. And now I am gonna go ahead and add my cornstarch that I mixed with the milk, and I poured everything, which is the 2 cups of milk. Okay, I poured everything to the pot, and we're just gonna let it boil and boil and boil until we are satisfied with the softness of our porridge. Okay. Okay, now I am adding my cinnamon powder to it, and I'm stirring just as I add it because I don't want the lumps to be in there. Now I'm adding my vanilla extract, banana extract, and almond extract, and I added a teaspoon of each. Alright, now I'm adding my brown sugar to it, and I'm also adding my vanilla sugar. Guys, oh my god, this tastes so good. I'm telling you, I just added more milk to it because it was a bit thick at the moment because we're not done cooking, because I want to let it cook for a few more minutes, you know. And yeah, it is boiling again and we are almost done. And now I added 2 tablespoons of butter. This is salted butter. And we're just gonna stir it and then let it cook for a few minutes and we're done. Of Ramadan, I welcome you, O holy man of blessings. And you are seek nearness to my creator. For you my soul and heart has been purified. Okay guys, we are done at this point and this was amazing. I have to put some in a bowl right away, of course, and I like to enjoy mine with some evaporated milk, but you can enjoy it by itself because we have a lot of things while we're cooking. We have milk, we have vanilla, we have every single thing that we needed, so it was already good. But you can also enjoy this with some extra evaporated milk. Okay, but yeah guys, that is it for this video, and I hope you guys enjoy watching it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and of course I will see you in my next video. Okay, bye.
Gifted and Safi, Ramadan Mubarak, Holy Records. Ramadan